Q9729. If flying a published GPS departure, A. The database will contain all of the transition or departures from all runways. B. And if RAM is available, manual intervention by the pilot should not be required. C. The GPS receiver must be set to terminal course deviation indicator sensitivity. The correct answer is C. When flying a published GPS departure, it is important to set the GPS receiver to terminal CDI sensitivity, which typically corresponds to a sensitivity of 1 nm nautical mile. This allows for accurate navigation along the published departure route. Additionally, the navigation routes contained in the GPS database should be selected in order to follow the published IFR charted departures and standard instrument departures, SIDs. RAM, Receiver Autonomous Integrity Monitoring, is a function of the GPS receiver that ensures the integrity of the GPS signals. While RAM availability is important for en route and approach operations, it may not be specifically required for a GPS departure, as long as the waypoint are part of the active flight plan. Q9729-1. To use a substitute means of guidance on departure procedures, pilots of aircraft with RNAV systems using DME/IRU without GPS input must A. Ensure their aircraft navigation system position is confirmed within 1,000 feet at the start point of takeoff roll. B. Ensure their aircraft navigation system position is confirmed within 2,000 feet of the initialization point. C. Ensure their aircraft navigation system position is confirmed within 1,000 feet of pushback. The correct answer is A. Pilots of aircraft without GPS utilizing DME/D/IE/RU are required to validate the location of the aircraft navigation system within 1,000 feet at the commencement of the takeoff roll in order to comply with RNAV-1 DPs and SIAPs. 9730. Missed approach routing in which the first track is via a course rather than direct to the next waypoint requires A. That the GPS receiver be sequenced to the missed approach portion of the procedure. B. Manual intervention by the pilot, but will not be required if RAM is available. C. Additional action by the operator to set the course. The correct answer is C. In missed approach routing, when the initial track is through a course rather than directly to the next waypoint, the pilot must take additional effort to select the course. It is very important during this stage of flight to be familiar with all of the necessary inputs. 9310. An aircraft not equipped with DME-IDME experiences a global navigation satellite system, GNSS, disruption while en route. The flight crew will need to navigate using A. RNAV, B. VORMON, C. GPS. The correct answer is B. Operators can utilize the VOR Minimum Operational Network, MON, which offers a minimal form of traditional navigation in the event that GNSS is rendered inoperable. In the event of a GNSS outage, the MON will allow aircraft to safely land at a MON airport or navigate through the afflicted region. 8837. Outside the western U.S. mountainous area, the VOR-MON will provide nearly continuous navigation signal coverage across the National Airspace System an altitude of A. 5,000 feet AGL, B. 5,000 feet MSL, C. 10,000 feet MSL. The correct answer is B. Outside of the western U.S. mountainous area, WSMA, use of the MON will give practically constant VOR signal coverage at 5,000 feet AGL across the NAS. The WSMA's navigate and route structure are not going to be changed.